Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
The Picasso Blow Pen, also known as a blow marker or blow ink pen, is a creative art tool that allows artists to create unique splatter and spray effects by blowing air through the pen to disperse ink. Here's the science behind how it works. The Picasso Blow Pen consists of an ink reservoir that contains liquid ink, usually water-based. There's also a blow tube, which is a hollow tube that allows air to pass through. Lastly, there's a nib or nozzle where the ink is dispersed when air is blown. When you blow into the pen, the airflow creates pressure, forcing air through the tube. According to Bernoulli's principle, the fast-moving air over the ink nozzle lowers the pressure, drawing ink up. This is similar to how an atomizer or spray bottle works. The ink is then atomized, broken into tiny droplets, creating a fine mist or splatter effect. The Venturi effect. When air flows through the narrow tube, its speed increases, reducing pressure at the nozzle and pulling ink upward. Surface tension and capillary action. The ink moves through the pen due to adhesion and cohesion forces similar to how liquid moves in a straw, inertia and splatter patterns. The force of your breath determines how far and how widely the ink spreads. Blow force. Harder blows create larger, more dispersed splatters, angle and distance. Changing the angle affects the direction and density of the ink spray. Ink viscosity. Thinner inks spray more easily, while thicker inks create bolder droplets. The blow pen works similarly to airbrushes but manual instead of electric. Spray bottles using breath instead of a pump. Straw-blown ink art, a traditional technique where artists drip ink and blow it with a straw. The Picasso Blow Pen combines fluid dynamics, pressure differentials and airflow mechanics to create its signature artistic effects. It's a fun, hands-on way to explore physics while making art. Would you like tips on using it for specific effects?